Introduction to alternators. An alternator or AC generator is a machine that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy in the form of alternating current or AC. So alternators or AC generator are widely used in generation plants, so automobiles and various industrial application. So next is the AC motors and generators intended learning outcomes. So what is the outcomes when we discuss this topic? So first is understand the fundamental principle and historical context of AC motors and generators. Next is understand the construction and operational principles of AC motors and generators. Lastly, identify and explain the practical application of electrical machines in various industries and everyday life. So type of operation of alternators. So alternators are primarily classified into two based on their construction and operation. So first is the salient pole alternators, and next is the non-salient or cylindrical pole alternators. So non-salient or cylindrical pole alternators. So operation commonly used in high-speed applications such as steam and gas turbines. The rotor is driven by a prime mover at high speed, causing the rotor magnetic field to intersect the stator windings. So this includes an alternating voltage in the stator windings. So what is a salient pole alternator? So unlike the smooth cylindrical rotors used in high-speed steam turbines, which you saw in your slide, so salient pole rotors have thick pole bolted on a central shaft. So because this pole creates significant air resistance or windage, these alternators are designed for low to medium speed, so typically 125 to 500 rpm. That's all.